you guys, and welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's jump into today's video. And today's video is my fall 2022 clean and decorate with me video. I'm super excited to get my house decorated for fall. I do have some things from last year that are kind of repeat things that I put out last year, but I have some new things that I bought and also some new DIYs that I made that I'm going to incorporate with the stuff from last year. So it is going to be different from last year. So don't think that it's going to be the same video. It is going to be different. Plus I'm going to incorporate those DIY leaf trees that I made. It was kind of like the Amazon dupe for the ones, these leaf trees that I saw on Amazon and Walmart for way more. And I shared that video with you guys already on my channel. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. But I'm going to incorporate those in the living room, and I did add some more things around the trees to make them look even nicer as you add them to like your decor and stuff. So I think you guys will like that. So that's going to be in this video today. But before I start anything, I have my Liquid IV. I've shared this with you guys before, that I love Liquid IV. I do have a coupon code for you guys that you can get 25% off plus free shipping. But I wanted to let you guys know about it because I was sick recently. That's why you guys haven't seen me on YouTube lately. And so I have to say that not only did this Liquid IV keep me hydrated during the summertime, which was really, really hot, but also when I was really sick, I have to say that drinking this made me feel better. It kept me hydrated. It kept, my throat moist, everything, and made me feel better faster. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this is not only just to keep you hydrated when you're hot or anything like that. It's also great when you're getting sick. And with the fall coming and the weather changing, a lot of people are getting sick with allergies. COVID's still around. Other things are coming around, and the best thing for you to do to get better is to stay hydrated, because when I wasn't hydrated, that's when I was staying sick longer. And the minute I started incorporating this when I was sick, I started feeling better. So they sent me 3 new flavors that I share with you guys on Instagram. I share with you guys a reel of the box they sent me, and I love the 3 flavors they sent me. Almost every flavor they've sent me I have loved. Even the caramel apple one, which I didn't think I would like it, is so good. It tastes like, it doesn't taste bad at all, and it's like you are getting your hydration, because I will tell you guys, when you drink this, you do have to go to the bathroom. It'll send you straight to the bathroom, because it's like basically one packet of these is like 3 bottles of water. But it's just, I wanted to share that with you guys before I started cleaning, because I'm going to be drinking it as I'm cleaning, because I'm still kind of getting over what I had. It wasn't COVID, but I'm still getting over what I had, and I have to say that this helped me out so much. So if you have any sick little ones, or you guys are getting sick, or things are coming up, whatever, just definitely have this in your in your stack of things to get better, because it really does help. But enough about that, and let's get started with the cleaning and decorating for fall. Okay, so we're gonna start the cleaning and decorating in my entranceway. And if you guys have seen my videos before, you guys know that every time I clean and decorate, I always start in the entranceway, because this is like the spot that everybody sees when they come to your home, so you got to make it look nice. And last year I decided to make this section like the apple theme section, because for fall I love the theme of apples for September, but I also love pumpkins and leaves and all those things as well. So I want to incorporate both, but I don't like to mix the reds with the orange. So I decided that I would just have this section right here just be all apples, and that's what I did last year. And I'm gonna do the same thing this year, but I do have some new things that I'm adding in here as well. I got some more new apples throughout the year. Dollar Tree was bringing out different type of apple decor throughout the year, and I quickly grabbed them because I knew I was going to need it for come the holiday time, because I knew they wouldn't be there. So I grabbed some more apples, some different things as well, and I got a new diffuser that's black that was actually in the living room, but I decided to put it over here because I feel like black and red go better together. The one I used to have here was the blue one that I showed you guys for the summertime, and so I decided to switch that out. That way the black goes better with the red. But that's what I'm gonna do in this section. I'm gonna make this basically the apple section, and then the rest of the house is gonna be like pumpkins and fall and all sorts of that type of decor. Now, a lot of these decorations that I'm putting up, these are DIYs that I've made in the past. All these apple themed DIYs I made in the past, I will link them down below. They're all in my fall playlist. So everything that you'll see doesn't look like, that it actually looks like it's made, it's a DIY that I created with Dollar Tree products. And then all the other things are like things that I got at Dollar Tree. So I will have the fall playlist linked down below if you guys would like to see those DIYs. Now this is the diffuser I was telling you guys about, and I got it at Walmart. I love the shape of this diffuser. It was from Better Homes and Garden. I will have it linked down below. But I also love to keep my, my favorite scents of essential oils like right next to my my diffusers. So that way I'm like having it always on hand whenever I have to switch it out. And I use this little like container that I got from the Target Dollar Spot a while back, and also this little like jug that I got from Dollar Tree. I keep the water, the filtered water in it, so that way everything is like right by the diffuser and it's easy to use. And I just think that the black one just goes great with the red. And so this is how this part turned out. I think it's so cute. Again, like I said, I have new stuff from this year, but other stuff that I incorporated from last year. So it's like a little bit of mix of both. But I just love red for September, and red and black and the black checker print just goes great together. So I love putting those two together for the fall time, especially September, especially when I used to work back in the school. So now we're moving on to my living room, and this is like the two tables that I have near my couches. And I am cleaning with Lysol this time. Normally I like to clean with the basil scent spray from Mrs. Meyer's. You guys know I love that scent. But because I just got over being sick and my husband was sick, I had to Lysol the house. And so I wanted to make sure that everything was like really clean and disinfected. So that's why I'm cleaning with Lysol and this Clean and Decorate with me. I'm going to put this this little leaf fall tree that I created. I shared with you guys on my channel. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it down below. But this is one of the leaf trees that I made. This is the smaller version one. This one cost me around $13 to make, and I had seen this on stores for like $50, $100, and I made it for $13 with Dollar Tree products. It does look skimpy on this side. It's very weird because whenever you kind of adjust the leaves the way you want it to, when you're looking in front of it, on the other side it looks different. So that's why you'll see like on the top it looks kind of skimpy, because when I had it facing me it looked perfect and shaped perfectly, but on the side it looked weird. So it's an easy fix. You just got to readjust the leaves, and the way that I made it, you can adjust the leaves any way you want. And it also comes with lights, and I'll show you guys at the end of this video how it looks all lit up at night. But I wanted to add some pumpkins and some other leaves at the bottom that I got from Dollar Tree, some new ones that I got this year and some ones that I've already had in the past. And so I love the way that this came out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks so pretty. I love the way it looks at night when we light it up at night. It's something for us to have lit with the other one when we're watching a movie, and it's just absolutely great.
Sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. Forgotten. Swear we never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
So this is the other leaf tree that I created. This is the bigger one. This one actually cost me around $20 to make, and this actually goes for over $100 on Amazon and on Walmart to buy one of these. And so I was super excited that I was able to recreate it for much less. I am creating one for you guys that has to do with Halloween, but again, like I told you guys before, I'll buy supplies at Dollar Tree, and then I will need some more, and then when I go back to get it, they don't have it. So I'm trying to create the Halloween one to share with you guys, but some of the supplies that I need are not in my store, so I'm on the search for them. But stay tuned, you're gonna love the Halloween version of this tree that I'm making for you guys. It's a little spooky and everything, and hopefully I can find all the supplies for it so I can make it for you guys. But this one I added pumpkins to the bottom again as well, because I just think it looks great. I mean, you can use them on their own as is. They'll be great for the front porch, they'll be great indoors, but I think it's cute to add little pumpkins around them. And these are all the little felt pumpkins that I got from Dollar Tree last year, but also they had new ones this year. The one that's like a darker kind of like a champagne, I would say like a wine kind of orange looking, is the ones that I got this year. And so I'm adding them to the other ones that I had, and of course I'm adding some leaves in between it as well, because I want to kind of show like leaves are falling. And then I have that bucket that I got from Ross, actually that box that I got from Ross last year. And I like to put pillows in there, and those are the pillows that I got last year, that I got from Dollar General, and I think they were like $5. But this area looks so cute, and again, I light this one up at night as well, and you guys will see that at the end of this video how it looks all lit up, so nice. So now we're going on to my table, and again, I tell you guys every time I decorate this table that this table needs to be refinished, but I feel like I never have time to be able to refinish this table. This table has been just messed up, and I want to paint it again, and I just want to, like, I have to sand it down, and I kind of want to do a black finish on it, and then I want to get like some white cushion comforters for my chair. So if you guys know of some good like white covers for these chairs, let me know in the comments down below, because I could use you guys' help, because I want to get some good ones and I want them to be white. And then I'm adding this little centerpiece that I made last year. Again, I will have it linked down in my playlist of the DIYs I made. So pretty. All this stuff came from Dollar Tree. I love it, and I use this box throughout the year to switch it out for the different seasons. And then I'm just decorating the little shelves that I have in my kitchen. These shelves were also a Dollar Tree DIY that I made with actually the Jenga block pieces and those little plant hangers. So, and these shelves, I always decorate them for the holidays as well. And then we're going to be moving on to my kitchen. You know, I got to decorate my coffee bar area. This area is basically the same as last year. The only thing that I added to it was there was this little like wooden cup that they had at, well, this wooden kind of decor that they had at Dollar Tree that had like a coffee mug on it, and I'm gonna add that to it. I thought it was really cute, and so I wanted to get it, so I do add it at the end. But the stuff that I had last year, I really like how it came down, so I just wanted to repeat it because it was so cute. A lot of these pumpkins, they're either from Dollar Tree or the Target dollar spot, which a lot of them I did get last year when they went 50% off, so they became like less than Dollar Tree. So always look at those sales when they're 50% off or 90% off. Actually, that's when I got them. They were 90% off. And you can stock up on a lot of great fall things for the next year. You can never go wrong with orange, and you can never go wrong with green and gray. I think no matter what year it is, you can never go wrong with those three colors. So even if you don't know what your style is next year, just grab those three colors, because you can never go wrong with them. And so I just, like I said, I basically did like last year, and I think it's really cute. And there's a little like wooden little mug that I got from Dollar Tree this year, and I just added that in the little corner. And then these are the little these are the little counters that are next to my stove. I don't want to put too much on it because whenever I'm prepping and cooking, I don't want too much on it. Of course, I have to have my air fryer. I tell you guys, I'm in love with my air fryer. All I do is make things in my air fryer now, and so I gotta have that on the counter. But I just added, like, I like having the blues and the orange in my kitchen for the fall. I just feel like it just goes together. A lot of people may not think that, but it does, like for me, as far as the kitchen wise. And then when you see my clean and decorate with me part 2 video, I will be decorating my downstairs bathroom, and that's where I'll put the blue pumpkins that I was telling you guys about in my other video, where I like to have my downstairs bathroom is decorated in blues, and so the blue pumpkins that I love, I'll be able to incorporate them in there. So this will be a part 2 of a clean and decorate with me. I'll be decorating my bedroom and also my bathroom, and I'll also be sharing with you guys my Simply Earth box for September, which I love the stuff that we have. This little sign is from Dollar Tree. It was new this year, and those pumpkins are, I believe, Dollar Tree. I think those were Dollar Tree or the Target Dollar Spot. I think those Dollar Tree though. But yeah, stay tuned for the part 2 one. I just didn't want to put too much in this video, and I had some other stuff to do that day, but there will be a part 2, and you'll see me decorate the rest of my house for fall. I just love how everything came out this year. I really didn't have to change much. Oh, and that little envelope is new this year that I got from Dollar Tree. This sign I got from Dollar Tree in the in the Dollar Tree Plus section. It was $5. I shared with you guys. I loved it. I thought it was perfect for fall because I do incorporate the buffalo check and the gray when it comes to fall, and so I loved it. But I didn't like the little hooks on the top that you can see, like where the nails are at on top of it. So for me, I decided to put leaves on it. So this is a leaf garland that I've had for a while. I got from Dollar Tree a while back. So they're like a different color shades of garland that they have now. But let me know, do you guys like it with the leaves on top or without the leaves on top? I just didn't want those little like hooks to show, so that's why I put the leaves. But I feel like it incorporates everything, so you guys let me know how you guys like it. But I think it just makes everything look great together. And then this is how the fall tree looks at night. It's a little fuzzy, but because, you know, of course I'm trying to take it at night so you guys can see how the lights light up. But I love having it because we get to have it when we watch movies, and we're doing our Halloween movies and our family movie nights, and it's so much fun. We get to light this up like a Christmas tree. I really love how this tree came out, and those were Dollar Tree lights as well that I added to this tree. So definitely check out that video if you haven't seen it already. And this is how the little one looks all lit up as well, because I wanted to share that with you guys. Again, it's fuzzy because I'm picturing in the dark, but that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you guys some cleaning inspiration and some motivation, some decorating ideas. And definitely stay tuned for part 2, where I'll be sharing with you my bedroom and my bathroom. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.